first thing we need to do is go to makecode.microbit.org/#. Now that you're in the website, you can see that it has the projects up at the top that you will make, and it has the tutorials down at the bottom. So we're going to start with the flashing heart tutorial. So click on it. You can watch this video. It's a gentleman and his daughter that are doing this video, but I wanted to make a video for you so that you could hear this from me. So we're going to click on blocks, and you're going to click OK. It's showing you it's going to do the flashing heart tutorial. In it, it shows you how to do it. So it's saying from the basic, you're going to drag out show LEDs, and you're going to put them inside the forever block. So let's do that. Let's click on basic. Your code should say show LEDs. You're going to make your heart. And then you're going to hit next. It said place another show LEDs block. You can leave it blank or draw whatever. So I'm going to go back to the basic. I'm going to click show LEDs. So just to take a guess, what will this line of code do compared to this line of code here? If you look at the virtual Microbit on the left, it's going to show you what you should see. And if you don't have the Microbit kit, you can just use that instead. I'm going to hit next again. It says if you have a Microbit connected, click the download to transfer your code. So I'm going to click download, and you're going to want to pair your Microbit. So you're going to click pair now. It says first make sure your Microbit is connected to your computer with a USB cable. Hit next. And then it says pair your Microbit to the computer by selecting BBC Microbit. And then the rest of this here, hit next. Up here, I'm going to click on my Microbit, and I'm going to hit connect. My Microbit is now connected, and now we need to hit download to copy the code to my Microbit. I'm going to hit download. And on your Microbit now, you should see a flashing heart. Congratulations, you've completed your first tutorial.